हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम करेंगे मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस चैप्टर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन के। Our first question is, what is known as the study of individual units? Options are A. Macroeconomics, B. Microeconomics, C. Income and employment theory, and D is development economics. Correct answer is B. Microeconomics. Microeconomics deals with the individual units, study of individual units. Second question is, what is the main cause of all economic problems? Options are A. Abundance, B. Convenience, C. Scarcity, and D. None of these. Economic problems arise होने का main cause क्या है? C. Scarcity. Scarcity is the main cause of all economic problems. Next question is, study of aggregate is known as. Options are A. Macroeconomics, B. Microeconomics, C. Price theory, and D. Factor price determination. स्टडी ऑफ एग्रीगेट्स मतलब जब सारी चीज़ों को इकट्ठा स्टडी किया जाता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ए. मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ एग्रीगेट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द बुक रिटन बाय J.M. Keynes? Options are A. Wealth of Nation, B. Political Economy, C. The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, and D. None of these. J.M. Keynes ने कौन सी बुक लिखी थी? The book name is The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. Next question is, when was the famous book of Professor Keynes published? जो अभी हमने क्वेश्चन किया था कि प्रोफेसर केन्स की कौन सी बुक थी द थ्योरी ऑफ जनरल प्राइसिंग एंड मनी की, वो किस ईयर में पब्लिश हुई थी? दैट इज इन ईयर 1936. When did the Great Depression occur? A. 1929-30, B. 1934-35, C. 1938-39, or D. 1941-42. Great Depression occurs in year 1929-30. Our next question is, who is known as the father of modern macroeconomics? Options are A. Adam Smith, B. J.M. Keynes, C. Smolson, and D. Hicks. Correct answer is B. J.M. Keynes. Next question is, Mr. Mukund Kumar wants to study the national income. Which branch of economics will he have to study? नेशनल इनकम को स्टडी करने के लिए उनसे कौन सी ब्रांच ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स को स्टडी करना पड़ेगा? ऑप्शंस आर ए. माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, बी. प्राइस थ्योरी, सी. फैक्टर प्राइस डिटर्मिनेशन, एंड डी. मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. नेशनल इनकम इज एग्रीगेट ऑफ नेशनल, तो इसका आंसर होगा डी. मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. Next question is, what is the name of the book written by J.M. Keynes? Options are A. Wealth of Nation, B. Political Economy, C. The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, and D. None of these. Next question is, macroeconomics is defined as that branch of economics which studies economic activities of an economy as a. Options are A. individual, B. industry, C. whole, या D. different. Macroeconomics deals with the whole economy. Correct answer is C. whole. Next question is, which economists divide economics in two branches of micro and macro on the basis of economic activities? Options are A. Marshall, B. Ricardo, C. Regner, Frisch, and D. None of these. Which economists divide the economic in two branches, micro and macro? Correct answer is C. Regner, Frisch. Next question is, which of the following is studied under microeconomics? Options are A. Individual unit, B. Economic aggregate, C. National income, and D. None of these. Microeconomics deal with the individual units. Correct answer is A. Individual unit. Next question is economy. Economy may be classified as, options are A. Capitalistic, B. Socialistic, C. Mixed, D. All of these. Economy may be classified as all of these. D. That is, the economies can be divided into the capitalistic economy, socialistic economy, or the mixed economy. Next question is, which economy has a coexistence of private and public sectors? Options are A. Capitalistic, B. Socialistic, C. Mixed, and D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Mixed. Next question is, the main objective of socialistic economy is, options are A. Maximum production, B. Economic freedom, C. Earning profit, and D. Maximum public welfare. Socialistic economy deals with maximum public welfare, that is D. Next question is, in which economy decisions are taken on the basis of price mechanism? प्राइस मैकेनिज्म के बेसिस पे कौन से इकोनॉमिक डिसीजंस किस इकोनॉमी में लिए जाते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर ए. सोशलिस्टिक, बी. कैपिटलिस्टिक, सी. मिक्स्ड, एंड डी. ऑल ऑफ दिस. किस इकोनॉमी में लिए जाते हैं प्राइस मैकेनिज्म से? बी. कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी. Next question is, macroeconomists sees an economy as a combination of which sectors? मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स में किन किन सेक्टर्स को इंक्लूड करके इकोनॉमी को डेवलप किया जाता है? दैट इज हाउस होल्ड, गवर्नमेंट और एक्सटर्नल. बी. हाउस होल्ड, फर्म्स, गवर्नमेंट एंड एक्सटर्नल सेक्टर. सी. हाउस होल्ड, फर्म्स एंड गवर्नमेंट, एंड डी. फर्म्स, गवर्नमेंट और एक्सटर्नल सेक्टर. करेक्ट आंसर इज देयर इज 4 sectors in the macroeconomics, that is household, firms, government and external sector. That is option B. Next question is, which of the following is studied under macroeconomics? Macroeconomics deals with the aggregate, so on the basis of that the options are A. national income, B. full employment, C. total production, and D. all of these. Correct answer is D. all of these. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु आर इकोनॉमिक एजेंट्स? इकोनॉमिक एजेंट्स कौन होते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर दोज हु इन्वेस्ट मनी, बी. दोज हु टेक इकोनॉमिक डिसीजंस, सी. दोज हु डू सोशल वेलफेयर, और डी. नन ऑफ द अबव. करेक्ट आंसर इज इकोनॉमिक एजेंट्स आर दोज हु टेक इकोनॉमिक डिसीजंस, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी. Now some true and false. Capital, land, labor and entrepreneur are the factors of production. True or false? Correct answer is true. Next question is, the capitalistic economy works for social welfare. Is it true or false? Correct answer is false. Capitalistic economy only deals with the price, maximum profit. Next question is, whether true or false. Microeconomics deals with the aggregate economic variable of an economy. Microeconomics deals with aggregate economic variable of an economy. Is it true or false? Correct answer is false. Microeconomics deals with the individual units and macroeconomics deals with the aggregate. Next question is, whether true or false. Macroeconomics is the study of the problem of unemployment, price inflation, etc. Correct answer is True. Macroeconomics deals with the unemployment, price inflation, national income, general price mechanism, etc. Next question is whether true or false. In socialism, the feeling of personal profit is prominent. Socialism में personal profits को हम importance देते हैं. True or false? Correct answer is false. सोशलिज्म में हम पब्लिक वेलफेयर को इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं और कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी में हम पर्सनल प्रॉफिट्स को प्रोमिनेंट मानते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स डिसीजन मेकर एम्ड एट सर्विंग इंडिविजुअल सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट. वेदर दिस स्टेटमेंट इज अ ट्रू और फॉल्स? करेक्ट आंसर इज फॉल्स. मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक डिसीजन मेकर सिर्फ इंडिविजुअल सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट को नहीं देखते हैं बल्कि पब्लिक वेलफेयर को भी साथ में लेकर चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज whether true or false, selling of goods by a domestic country to the rest of the world is known as import. Whether true or false? It is a false statement because selling of goods by a domestic company to the rest of the world is known as exports, and import is the buying of goods by the domestic company from the rest of the world. So it is a false statement. Next, whether it is a true or false. Micro and macroeconomics are the two broad branches of economic theory. These two terms are coined by Professor Ragnar Frisch of Oslo University. Whether it is a true statement or a false statement? Correct answer is true statement. Professor Ragnar Frisch of Oslo University divided the economics into two broad terms, that is microeconomics and macroeconomics, on the basis of its economic activities. Next, whether the statement given below is true or false. Macroeconomics variable covers the following topics: total national income, aggregate employment, the extent to which the economic resources are being fully employed, aggregate saving and investment, and the general price level in the economy. Whether this is a true statement or a false statement? Correct answer is true statement. Macroeconomics deals with the aggregate and national level problems, that is the national income, employment, poverty, savings, investment, and general price mechanism. Next question is buying of goods by the domestic country from the rest of the world is known as A. imports or B. exports? Buying of goods by the domestic company. Correct answer is import. When we buy something from the rest of the world, then it is import. Next and last question of this series of chapter 1 is whether the given statement is true or false. In macroeconomic policies, there is no role of state or RBI, SEBI and similar institutions. Whether this statement is a true or false? Correct answer is false. In macroeconomic policy, there is always and a major role of state, RBI, SEBI and other similar institution, because they regulate the prices, interest and other obligations of the economy. That's all for today. We will meet again with the new series of MCQ of chapter 2 very soon. Thank you.